You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful name. Beautiful, but yes, it is a little bit confusing because there are different pronunciations, and I believe this is probably because it comes from French. The French pronunciation is Aline. And in French, there's no stress on any particular syllable. It's very flat, Aline. Therefore, in English, there's at least 3 different ways of pronouncing it. Some say it as Aline, with a stress on the lean part. Some pronounce it as Aline. And it can also be pronounced as Aline. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments so we can learn your preferred or your correct pronunciation. Aline, Aline, or Aline, or any other ways. Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.